Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting your controller and ensuring it works at the OS level. Plug in via USB or pair Bluetooth and confirm battery above 20%. Next, open Steam Big Picture and enable the corresponding configuration support for your controller type so Steam can translate inputs. Once done, force Steam Input on for Rainbow Six Siege to lock in consistent mapping. This prevents default dead zones and ensures your custom bindings will load every time you play. Now you open Rainbow Six Siege and go straight to Controls then Controller, switching to the full controller layout so every input is visible. Calibrate sensitivity and dead zones here. Start with low sensitivity, then raise gradually while testing in the shooting range to find smoothing and response you prefer. After that, remap critical actions like lean, ping, and gadget use to reachable buttons. Save the layout as a custom preset so you can quickly restore it or tweak specific bindings later. Finish by fine-tuning during live rounds. Adjust aim sensitivity and aim assist until tracking feels natural, and enable vibration only if it helps feedback. If buttons misfire or axes drift, open the Steam Input overlay to see active mappings and disable any conflicting overlays or third-party apps that intercept controller data. As a final tip, rebind or reset the controller profile, and if problems persist, update the controller firmware or USB drivers. This usually resolves drift, lag, or mapping mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.